So Marvin and I, we drove here right now to Oton. I want to buy another water tank. I have one now. I think maybe the same size as this one. You think?
Yes.
You think we have the 15?
Yes.
And I want to buy an additional one. I think I'm gonna move the one I have now onto the top of the new CR and buy a bigger one that's gonna be over on the house. So you can see in the background here these shiny metal tanks. They're supposed to be like a stainless, but it says right there on them, do not use near salty conditions or high mineral water. I wouldn't mind having one of those, but as it says, keep away from the salt, and I'm right at the salt. So I'm gonna go check the price on how much. Is he got it on there?
24,999.
Oh, it's so cheap. Pretty expensive. Maybe I should price shop these. I don't know. Yeah, it's got the price right on it. Yeah, 2499. Basically, it's 500 bucks. That, 1,000 pesos. I mean, $1,000 is 50,000 pesos. That's half of it. 500 bucks. Decisions. Maybe I'll keep the tank I have on top. I'm trying to be a tightwad here. And Marvin was suggesting I get a smaller tank and put on top of that CR. This is like a harder plastic. I don't know if it's good or bad. They have these that are called, what do you say that? Waida?
Waida.
Polystar. It's like a blue, harder plastic. This is more of a little bit softer. I don't know. I see a lot of these best tanks everywhere. I hate to be the guinea pig on a new style. So how much is the one I have now?
Yes.
Is 1899. So you're talking about not that much difference, just a little over $100 more to get quite larger tank. In that Waida, how much was it?
No price.
No price on it.
Okay, but it's good.
No more of them have it. This one here too, I can see part of it starts with a 1, so we know it's 10,000 something. Try to guess it. Decisions. The deal is, I do have another water tank already. I had the one that's over on top of the house now at our old house. It's a smaller tank. Maybe I should just put that one
On your CR.
on the CR
Yes.
and save this money.
Yes.
I may just talk myself right out of buying another tank. Just hate to waste that money. And you're still limited what you can put in it. I think I'd be better to spend my money in an underground water tank. What do you think? Just catch all that rainwater, use that for the yard. I think I just talked myself out of buying a tank. I'll go inside, buy more floor tile.
No tank?
No tank.
Pila ka bilog yan. Take ko mag 30 by 30 ka mo, ma'am. Apat.
So I'm here now inside City Hardware in Old Town, and what I'm looking for is some floor tile for the garage. That floor in there right now, that rough cement, I have just an absolute impossible task to keep the sand swept away out of it. They didn't finish it real good when they poured that, and it's really grabbing that sand up and holding on to it. It is so hard to sweep, and then the dust. We have some nice things that we're wanting to put in there right now and use that space for more than just a garage while we're in this building process, because we hope that even if the house isn't finished before we leave this trip, that we're going to transfer our things out of that old house, because typhoon season will be returning, and who knows what the future holds for that house that we currently stay at. As y'all seen in our earlier videos, if you haven't seen those videos, go back and watch them, and you'll see that we went through typhoon after typhoon, and water was actually hitting the walls of our existing house. So the things I want to look for in that floor is the fact that I need a little bit of grip to it, like this, something that's not slick and shiny like these polished out tiles you see right here glimmering. That's not going to work for me in there in that area. It still will get vehicles pulled in there on it and work done, and I just don't want something slick, shiny like that, especially if it gets wet, and you may find yourself falling down and taking a pretty hard spill. These here with this good texture, I'm looking at something more like that. I'm just so indecisive about a color just yet. I've kind of been thinking about these beiges or a sand color. Definitely want to keep something up brighter in there. I like that right there. That's not bad looking. Let's see, that says 149, so it's basically that this is about like a 2 foot by 2 foot tile, basically, if you want to say, and that's about $3 per tile for that one right there. I kind of like that one right over there. This one's not a bad one either. So many decisions. This one's still kind of slick. I don't know. That is actually textured like wood. That's pretty nice. I think I made a choice here. I want to keep a bright color. I want it kind of a beige color, and Melinda loves wood, and this has got a textured wood pattern to it. They're $1.43 each, which is going to be less than $3 each. It don't take long for these tiles to cover inside that small garage too. So I'm ordering these up. She's not here with me right now, but on the garage she told me just do it, and I guarantee she's gonna love this because she likes the wood look. She's gonna be happy. So they're gonna deliver these to me. They're getting the order together right now. I'm gonna look around a little bit more.